Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today our video is on Windows 365 and the long-awaited arrival of single sign-on. So previously with Windows 365 there was no single sign-on. We've been actually getting into your Windows 365 session coming from a device that's already authenticated to Azure AD, and also there was no single sign-on from within the actual machine itself. So now we're there. Single sign-on is now in preview. It's ready to switch on. So we're going to go through now how to switch on single sign-on and how we had to reprovision our cloud PCs to actually get it to work. So let's go from there. So to actually get single sign-on to work, we've got to go into intune.microsoft.com, go to the devices, and then go to Windows 365. As you can see, I've got a healthy environment here with Windows 365 with a provisioning policy here. To enable single sign-on, we click on a provisioning policy. As you can see right here in preview, single sign-on is now there. So if we press edit, all we need to do is exactly that. We need to click on the single sign-on preview, and then press next. Ensure that everything is as we expect and press update. And that's it. That's all we need to do to actually get single sign-on working for the provisioning policy. But that's kind of not it yet. We do actually have to re-provision our cloud PCs for anyone who actually has them now. So that means that that machine is going to get destroyed and re-provisioned for the user. So it's something that we need to take into account when we're doing this. So we go into the cloud PC, we click on re-provision, and as you can see here, again, it logs off the users immediately. All user data will be removed, and a new cloud instance will be provisioned. We click on yes, and then you can see here the reprovisioning process has started. It does take a little while for this to happen, and you'll see a new PC take its place. So now we can fast forward a little bit and we can have a look and see what Windows 365 looks like with this enabled. So we're going to do this the other way around. I'm already logged into the device, so we look at the single sign-on process of the device after. But we go into Edge, and then we're going to browse to portal.azure.com. Straight away, you can see I'm not getting asked for any authentication from my device whatsoever. I'm straight into my portal, so it's pretty cool. But next, I'm just going to exit out of this Windows 365 PC, and I'll leave that there. And I'm already logged into Windows 365 here. I can click on that, open in browser, and it logs me in after pressing connect literally straight away, which is awesome. Before you would have had to use a username and password again to get into it, but look, I'm straight back onto my cloud PC and it's working perfectly. So a quick recap. So to get single sign-on working with Windows 365, we need to firstly update the provisioning policy and enable single sign-on. And then unfortunately after that, we do have to re-provision your cloud PCs. So once again, if anyone's working on that cloud PC whilst the re-provision happens, they'll be logged off, the machine gets destroyed, and they'll be assigned another cloud PC. So you've got to weigh up whether you'd want single sign-on to work and actually destroy the cloud PCs. But again, if you've got OneDrive working properly and everything else working correctly, you just shouldn't see too much of an issue if you do this over a weekend or overnight. Anyway, I hope anyone has learned something new today. And if you don't follow me on LinkedIn, follow me now, John Jarvis UK. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Take care.